On the 5th of November, many people in the UK celebrate Bonfire Night, also called Guy Fawkes Night. People light bonfires and fireworks. But what is the story behind Bonfire Night? Bonfire Night goes back to a historical event in 1605, the Gunpowder Plot. A group of Catholic men, including one man named Guy Fawkes, planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament and kill King James I. King James I was a Protestant and had been King of England since 1603. At that time, there were many conflicts between Protestants and Catholics, and life was difficult for Catholics in England. The men who planned to kill King James I in the Gunpowder Plot were Catholics, and hoped for a better life for Catholics under a new Catholic king or queen. So, in the night before the opening of Parliament on the 5th of November 1605, they hid 36 barrels of gunpowder in a cellar under the Houses of Parliament. But soldiers caught one of the men, Guy Fawkes, in the cellar before he could blow up the building. They arrested him and took him to the Tower of London. Guy Fawkes and the other men of his group were sentenced to death. Guy Fawkes was executed on the 31st of January 1606. Afterwards, King James I ordered that there should be celebrations every year on the 5th of November to celebrate that the plot had failed. And that is why people in the UK celebrate Bonfire Night on the 5th of November every year.